In today's video, I'll be showing you some of the new updates that have been added into Deriv, okay, that will make your trading life easier, okay? So one of the things that has been added that has really made me happy is that now, if you want to look for a market or a trade type, you just come and click on this plus icon. Once you click on it, all the markets and the trade types have been put together, okay? So it's not like long ago whereby finding a trade type or a market was a bit difficult. Right now, as you can see, all the trade types are together here, all right? And then all the markets are together here. So right now, as you can see, all the markets, all the trade types have been organized in categories. As you can see, we have directional trade types, which is rise and fall, touch and no touch, higher and lower, okay? We have growth-based trade types, we have accumulators, we have multipliers, we have turbos, and we have vanillas. We have digit-based trade types, that is matches and differs, over, under, and even odd, all right? Very well organized, very easy to navigate. Now, markets, we have also markets. Imagine we have markets and trade types together. So when you come to markets, you have derived markets, as you can see all of them there, starting with commodities basket, forex basket. We have synthetics, whereby we start with jump indices, step indices, volatility indices, okay? As you can see, very well positioned, very well organized. And apart from that, you also have Forex here. As you can see, we have all the major and the minor pairs. They're all there. Stock and indices, we have Asian indices, European indices, American indices, and yeah, all of them are there, all right? Commodities, same applies. As you can see now, it is easier to navigate through it, all right? So let's say right now you want to trade over under, just come and select over under here. You come to Derived, look for the market you want to trade, and you're done, okay? So that is one of the features that really made me glad, and I was happy about it, because long ago it was a bit complex, okay? That is number one. Number two, again, now this is one of that actually will make most of you happy. Now, long ago in the review, if you wanted to open, let's say, one market in rise and fall, another in even odd, another in over under, you had to open multiple tabs in your computer. And sometimes that can be distracting because one tab might be lagging and then the other is okay. So it was weird, right? So right now you can be able to do all this in the Deriv interface. So right now, if you want to open another volatility in another trade type or another market, you just click on plus, all right? So let's say right now I want to trade over under, but I want to trade it in volatility 101S or 75. I come and click on 75. Once I click on it, as you can see, volatility 75 is there, all right? If I want to trade even odd on volatility 101S, I click on it, and it is there. So, and I can be able to go through them at this, however, I want, okay? No distraction, no lagging, it's smooth, okay? So this is one of the features that has really made me happy to see, because it's a really, really nice addition. So yeah, you can be able to open as many tabs. Even if let's say you want to trade Forex, you just come and click on Forex there. First of all, you have to click rise and fall, and then come and select, let's say, let us select one major pair, such as Euro USD. I select it, and as you can see, it is there. So you can come here, you can set my chart types and my candlesticks and so on, okay? So as you can see, you can be able to open a rise and fall market, an over under market, an even odd, and rise and fall all in the same tab, all right? That is awesome. Now down here, as nothing has changed much. Our chart types are still there. They are still there down at the bottom. Drawing tools are still there. Indicators are still there. And if you want to download this page, you can be able to do it right there, okay? So yeah, so those are some of the two new additions or two new updates that Deriv has done, which are really awesome. So, and currently, as much as some things have been removed from this interface, it's quite clean, okay? As you can see, to go to home, you click there. If you want to see how many trades you have opened there, reports. If you want to see a trade that you took yesterday or some days back, you can be able to open it. To contact Deriv, help is there. Language, to change, it is there. Theme, you can be able to change there. To log out, it is there, okay? And yeah, so it's quite a new feature that I really like. So yeah, so go and check it out, guys. Test it out, and let me know how it goes for you. For me, it has been going well, and I appreciate it for this. I appreciate Deriv for this. It is awesome, okay? Yeah, so guys, those are some of the new additions that have been done into Deriv. Let me know what you think about them, or if you think it is necessary. And yeah, let us talk in the comment section. Please ensure you join our free Telegram community. The link is in the description. Please ensure you join it so that at least you can be part of our trading community, okay? Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing. Please ensure you like and subscribe before you leave. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you once again, guys, and cheers.